In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson Expression Home XP-800 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for Epson Expression Home XP-800 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson XP-800. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down menu here, and then select Go. And then scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package. Go ahead and download that file. And then once it's fully downloaded, open up that file on your computer to run it. Should be a signed verified publisher from Epson. Select Yes. And now it should say this file contains the Epson XP-800 driver and utility combo package. Select OK, and then proceed with the installer to get your printer configured for your device preferences, optional features you may want to install, as well as wired or wireless printing options. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.